English Talk Show. Learn English through real conversations.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Talk Show podcast. I'm Peter.
And I'm Erica. We're so happy to have you here today. If this is your first time listening, welcome to the show.
Our goal is simple. We want to help you improve your English through real, everyday conversations.
That's right. Learning through natural dialogue is one of the best ways to build confidence and fluency.
And hey, before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments where you're listening from.
We love seeing the amazing countries and cities you're tuning in from. It always surprises us. And we'll give a shout out in the next episode.
Today's topic is super useful, and I think almost every English learner has experienced this.
Yes, forgetting words when you're speaking. It can be frustrating, right?
Absolutely. You're in the middle of a sentence, and suddenly your brain just stops.
We've all been there. But the good news is, we've got 10 easy tips to help you remember words when speaking English.
Let's start with tip number 1. Think in English.
When you translate from your language to English, your brain takes more time to process.
But if you think directly in English, words come more naturally and quickly.
You can start small. For example, if you see the sun, just say to yourself, "The sun is bright."
That's a great exercise. Do this every day, and your brain will get faster at finding the words.
Okay, tip number 2. Use simple words. If you forget a difficult word, don't panic. Just use easier ones.
For example, if you forget the word delicious, you can say very tasty.
Or if you forget huge, say very big. Simple, right?
The most important thing is to keep speaking. Confidence matters more than perfection.
Let's move on to tip number 3. Speak every day. It doesn't have to be with someone else.
That's true. You can talk to yourself, record your voice, or speak in front of a mirror.
Even just 2 minutes a day can make a big difference over time.
Choose a topic like, "What did I do today?" and speak slowly and clearly.
And remember, the more you speak, the better you'll remember the words.
All right, let's go to tip number 4. Learn words in sentences.
This is so important. Don't just memorize individual words, learn how they work in real sentences.
For example, instead of just learning beautiful, try "The sky is beautiful today."
That way, when you speak, you're not just searching for a word, you already have a phrase ready.
Exactly. Your brain stores the rhythm and the meaning together, and that makes speaking smoother.
Okay, next. Tip number 5. Use flashcards. Super simple, but very effective.
Write the English word on one side and the meaning or a small picture on the other side.
Look at your cards every day for 5 minutes. That's it. It's a small habit with a big impact.
And if you're more into tech, you can use digital flashcard apps too. There are plenty of great ones.
On to tip number 6. Watch and listen in English. This one is fun.
Yes, watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, songs, or even movies, with or without subtitles.
When you hear the same words again and again, your brain naturally remembers them.
And it becomes easier to say them later because your ears are already familiar with the sounds.
Listening regularly helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and vocabulary. 3 in 1.
So even when you're relaxing, you can still be learning. That's pretty cool, right?
Totally. Now let's talk about tip number 7. Repeat and use new words.
This one is powerful. When you learn a new word, say it out loud 5 times.
Then try using it in different sentences. Like if you learn the word exciting, say,
"This movie is exciting. My day was exciting. Learning English is exciting." Boom.
Repetition like this helps your brain keep the word forever. It becomes part of your active vocabulary.
All right, now we're on tip number 8. Stay calm when you forget a word.
Yes, don't panic. It's totally normal. Even native speakers forget words sometimes.
Take a deep breath and try to explain the word in another way.
For example, if you forget the word umbrella, you can say, it's something we use when it rains.
Most people will understand you. Communication is not about using perfect words. It's about getting your message across.
And honestly, people respect you more when you stay calm and keep trying.
That's true. Don't let one forgotten word stop your entire conversation.
Speaking of expressing ideas, here comes tip number 9. Write more.
Writing helps you organize your thoughts and remember vocabulary.
Keep a small notebook or use your phone. Just write one sentence a day.
It could be about your day, your plans, your dreams, anything at all.
And the cool part is, the more you write, the easier it becomes to speak.
Exactly. You start making connections in your brain between ideas and words.
And that brings us to the final one, tip number 10. Connect words with images.
Our brains love pictures, so when you see something, say the word out loud.
For example, you see an apple, say apple. You see a chair, say chair.
It sounds simple, but it's very effective. You're training your brain to link words with real things.
And soon, those words will come to you automatically when you speak.
These tips may seem easy, but they work like magic when done consistently.
That's the key, consistency. A little every day brings big results.
So if you've ever felt stuck trying to find words in English, try these techniques.
You're not alone. Many learners feel the same, but you can improve starting today.
All right, so we've gone through all 10 tips to help you remember words when you speak English.
And we hope you're feeling encouraged, because you really can improve, one word at a time.
We want to remind you, making mistakes is part of learning. Forgetting a word isn't failure, it's growth.
That's right. Every time you try, you're training your brain. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and don't give up.
And if you want more ways to improve your English, especially through listening, we've got something special for you.
Yes, if you love learning English through stories, we highly recommend visiting the channel in the link below.
The channel is full of carefully written stories designed to help you understand, enjoy, and learn English naturally.
It's perfect for improving your listening skills, building vocabulary, and getting used to English rhythm and structure.
So after this episode, go check it out. The link is in the description or in the pinned comment.
And now we have a question for you. Do you forget words when you speak English? Let us know in the comments.
And tell us which of the 10 tips you like the most. We'd love to read your answers and share some in the next episode.
If today's episode helped you, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Your support helps us keep creating content that's helpful, practical, and fun for learners around the world.
And we'd love to know, where are you listening from? Tell us your country or city so we can give you a shout out next time.
Learning English doesn't have to be stressful. It can be exciting, personal, and even a little fun.
Absolutely. The key is to stay curious, be patient with yourself, and celebrate small wins.
Thanks so much for spending this time with us today. We're really proud of you for showing up and learning.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep growing, and most of all, keep speaking English with confidence.
See you soon on the next episode of the English Talk Show podcast. Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.